Today I'm excited to share about one of our recent projects involving high-level indoor lighting in a local church. High ceilings add a touch of grandeur and beautifully diffuse the light, but they also present access challenges. Standard ladders just don't cut it at these heights, so we use custom-built scaffold towers, which reach up to 14 metres and are mobile enough to navigate tighter spaces. Safety is our utmost priority. In this church project, we installed and replaced some very high light fittings. This required assembling a scaffold tower inside the church. Although movable, it had to be disassembled and reassembled over individual pews. A true test of precision and planning. Our team always work in pairs, with one person at height and another supporting from below. Both are equipped with PPE and harnesses, working on secure scaffolds. We conduct thorough risk assessments, secure the area and ensure unauthorised persons are kept at a safe distance. When dealing with buildings that have intricate features like vaulted ceilings or heritage interiors, we approach with delicate planning. We closely collaborate with the church officials and conservation experts, ensuring any vintage fixtures or discreet lighting is respected for the building's character. In sensitive environments like churches, we make sure fittings blend seamlessly and use non-invasive wiring techniques to preserve original features. Our process is comprehensive. Conduct a full site assessment. Design a plan with the clients. Set up all safety measures. Prepare light fittings with care. Install, test and clean up. We adhere to strict safety standards and sometimes, if needs be, we could use a cherry picker for extensive use, but we always opt for the safest method. Our approach to lighting emphasises energy efficiency and aesthetics. We favour LED fixtures for their longevity and long energy use and often incorporate smart controls like dimmers and motion sensors. Are you interested in transforming your space with expert lighting solutions? Contact myself, Karen Smith at Bright Spark Electrical Services for a free consultation. Between us, we'll assess your space, discuss your options and prepare a detailed quote to bring your vision to life safely and beautifully. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.